This is why you need to know about ApeCoin. It's not just another crypto, the beating heart of a new digital culture. Here's why APP is changing the Web3 game. ApeCoin isn't just a token, it's the key to a community-led revolution in Web3, built on Ethereum. Ape gives you a voice in the ApeCoin DAO, where holders like you shape the future of art, gaming, entertainment, more. Forget about old-school gatekeepers. The Ape Foundation makes sure every idea gets a shot, supporting projects, supporting creators. Got a vision? Submit an Ape improvement proposal. Help decide what gets funded. Straight from the ecosystem fund. ApeCoin's board, that's a powerhouse mix. Web3 innovators, legends like Reddit's Alexis Ohanian, all focused on making the DL run smoothly. The real power stays in the hands of the community. AP isn't just for voting. It's your ticket to exclusive games events, merch more developers. They're using Ape to build the next big thing. Apps Metaverse Worlds. In short, ApeCoin is more than a logo or token. It's the protocol layer for a new era of digital culture. Open permissionless built by you. Ready to shape the future of Web3? Ape in.